Catmore Island in Halong Bay. That's our room just in there. It's only cost us $10 a night. This is really good. Nice clean room. Nice and big with big windows looking out. Once we've drawn back the curtains. $10 a night. Robyn got it down from 15, which was good going. Nice clean sparkling bathroom.
Should we go get some food?
Let's do that. Good job, Robyn.
I finish it every room viewing with a let's go eat.
Let's go get something to drink and eat.
So in my head, an egg coffee would taste like kind of like a coffee meringue. That's how I'm. That's what I'm.
It doesn't look like a coffee meringue, does it? It looks really nice.
It doesn't look like that's egg.
No, shall I try it?
Yeah.
It's a bit hot. It's like, it doesn't taste like egg at all.
It looks really thick.
It's like a mousse.
Oh.
It's like a coffee, like a sweet chocolate coffee mousse on top. Beautiful. Egg coffee. I think it's just like egg white, isn't it? On top. Yeah, it's like a custardy kind of mousse. Yogurty top. You're gonna love that.
And I've had.
I'll tell you what, I'll try yours as well. Yeah?
I'm going to allow it. Go
Just see
on.
the look on your face now. It looks good.
This is a coconut coffee.
Oh, it smells nice. I think it's got ice cream on it.
Which is better? Egg coffee or coconut coffee?
That's nice because I love coconut, but that's good because it's so smooth. It's called like coffee.
Like coffee.
Coffee on the bay in Catmore Island. Catmore Bay. Good coffees.
Good coffees.
This is Fort Cannon on the hill just above Cap Harbour. Nice to have fantastic views. This place is huge, isn't it, Robyn?
So we are in Catmore National Park. And what we're doing, we're just having a little stroll.
There's a walk up to a bit of like a viewpoint. I think there's a couple of viewpoints. It's like a circuit and come back. I don't think it's that long, but you can do guided tours and things like multi-day ones. There's like 18-kilometre path. We're not doing that today.
Nice little stroll for
Nice
us.
little stroll through the jungle. So this is one of the extremely quiet beaches just from Catbah Bay Harbour. I think it's the off season, isn't it? So there's not many people here. Lots of sun lounges. I can imagine it being lovely if it was a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
So what did you say, Rob? When was it built? 65, did you say? So, when was it built, Rob? Alright, show off. Better than mine. Oh, you're annoying.